Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Mathematics is Fun class. My name is Oluwarotimi Esho, and today we shall be talking about a topic that says latitude and longitude. And here we have one of the external exam questions that says A. Latitude 43 degree north, longitude 77 degree east. B. 43 degree north, and then we have the longitude 103 degree west. And we have C, 57 degrees south, longitude 77 degree east. At 3 points on the surface of the earth, find the distance from Roman figure 1, A to B along latitude 43 degree north. Roman figure 2, A to C along the great circle, joining the 2 points. And we say take pi to be 3.142 and radius of the earth, which is big R, to be 6,400. Let's start. Solution. Then the first thing to do is to draw the earth. Draw the earth. Let's use this to represent the earth. Then you have your 4 cardinal point. You have your north here. You have your south pole here. Then latitude of the earth. You have it here. This is the latitude of the earth. Then this can be east or equator. And then we have west. Then you have the radius of the earth, which is big R. That is 6,400. Then let's begin to interpret the question. We have point A, latitude 43 degree north. So we go to the north side. Draw your 43. This is the latitude 43. Show it 43 degree north. Then we have the next one. Under the point A, we have 77 degree east. This is the east side. Then we come here. So this is 77 degree east. So where the latitude and longitude intersect, that is where they meet, that's the point. That this place is the point A. Then we go to the second one, the second point, which is point B. We have 43 degree north. So far we have the same latitude. We don't need to draw another latitude. So they have common latitude. A and B have common latitude. I mean to say, pardon my manners, A and B have common latitude. So we don't need to draw another one. But the longitude happens to be different. Then we have longitude 103 degree west. So you come to the west. So this is 103 degree west. So this is west side, this is east side. Don't forget. So where the latitude and longitude intersect, then we make that to be the point B. Permit me, let me make it clear. Point B. So this is point A, this is point B. So here we have the radius, the small radius. Then you connect A and B. Make sure you connect A and B together. Then let's go to the point C. Under the point C, we have 57 degrees south. Then you come down. This is south. Down is south, up is north. Then 57 degrees south. That's the latitude of C. 57 degrees south. So the longitude is 77 degrees east. That is having the same longitude with A. So this is 77 degrees east. So this is where the latitude and longitude met. So this is point C. So this place is the small radius of C. Then you can see point A, B, and C. So now we want to do the calculation. So this is the first thing to do, to draw the diagram because of your methodology, in order for you to get your full mark. Then the next thing is to calculate the distance, the distance from A to B along parallel of latitude or along latitude 43 degree north. Now, when you are saying, or when you see a question that asks you to calculate the distance measured along the parallel of latitude, so the formula to be used is theta over 360 times 2 pi big R cos alpha. So distance measured along the parallel of latitude. This is the formula to be used. So distance AB now measured along the parallel of latitude is theta over 360 times 2 pi big R cos alpha. Then here your theta will be different in longitude, while your alpha is common latitude. So you check the distance, the longitude of A and the longitude of B. When they are on the same location, you minus. When they are on different location, you add. Now look at what I'm talking about. Look at the latitude of, longitude of A. This is east, while the longitude of B is west. So different locations, so you add. So your theta here is nothing but 77 plus, that is 77 degree plus 103 degrees. Are we together? And that one will give us 180. That's our theta. Then alpha is the common latitude. So what's our alpha? 43 degrees. Then begin to put your parameters now. Don't forget your pi is 3.142, while your big R is 6,400. Then distance AB now, A and B, is equal to theta is 180 degrees over 360 times 2 pi 3.142 times what's big R 6,400 times cos what's our alpha. Our alpha is 43 degrees. Permit me. Our alpha is 43 degrees. Then let's move. We can cut. Then we can say 180 here 1. 180 here 2. Then these two can cancel these two. Then we have distance AB equals 3.142 times 6,400. Cos 43 is what? Permit me, we have to punch our calculator here.
0.731.
Is 0.731. So what follows the 1? 3. So 0.7313. So then we now add, we multiply everything together. 3.142 times 6,400 times 0.7313. 14,705.56. They didn't tell us where to leave our answer, maybe to the nearest kilometer or thereabout. So far they did not tell us. We can leave our own in 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. We have 2 dp. Then this is our final answer about the Roman figure 1. Now look at the Roman figure 2. It said that we should find the distance A to C along the great circle, joining the 2 points. Here, the formula to use when you are calculating along the great circle is theta over 360 times, theta over 360 times 2 pi big R. Theta over 360 times 2 pi big R. So let's come here to quickly solve that. Roman figure 2. So distance, what is that? A and C along the great circle. So we have theta over 360 times 2 pi big R. Now here, your theta will be the difference in the latitude. The difference in the latitude. So if you come to this place now, you will discover that we have latitude of this to be 57 degrees south, while the latitude of this is 43 degrees north. And like I said earlier, when you have different location, you add. When you have the same location, you subtract. So far we have this, different location, so we are going to add. So our theta here now will be 43 plus 57. So our theta is 43 degree plus 57 degree. And what would that one give us? So that's 100. So our theta here is 100. Then we have 100 over 360 times 2. Our pi is 3.142, while our big R is 6,400. Then, having said that, so what are we going to do here? We can cut or multiply straight away. So we can just say 100 times 2 times 3.142 times 6,400. I take that place again. 100 times 2 times 3.142 times 6,400.
402.
So that one will give us 402.
1760.
1760. Then divide by 360. So what do we have there? We have 1.55. What follows the 5? Another 5. So we can make it 6 now. 5, 6. Just to leave our answer in 2 decimal places rather. We have kilometer. Then we have 2 dp. And that is the end of the question. If you look at it, very simple. So if you are confused, just try to replay the video and watch it over and over again. So please try to share. Go to my YouTube channel, Mathematics is Fun, Oluwarotimi. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. God bless you. Thank you.